Hello, my name is Ostap. This video is done for the Homework 1 project. So, gonna open up the drive.cpp. First, we have a constant. It was given. I create a struct named student. It consists of an integer, double, and one more integer. Function is called student make a student. What it does is checks if a GPA is within boundaries, and if it's more than a boundary, it will set it to the boundary. If it's less than a boundary, it will just set it to the boundary. And the same is done for credits. Then the fixed results are recorded in a student s and that information and s is returned. Here is valid student. What it does, it checks if GPA, that student's GPA, is within the boundaries. And if it is, it sets valid GPA to true. If not, then just false. The same is done for credits. If credits are within the boundaries, then valid credits are true. And what I do here, I create Boolean called result, and then I compare valid GPA and valid credits. And if both of them are true, which is if GPA is within boundaries and credits are within boundaries, then the result will be set to true, and if not, then false. And then I just return the result. Here is update GPA. What it does, first of all, I said result to false. So if a new GPA is within the boundaries, then I set result to true, which basically means that I'm going to change my GPA, and said I take a student's GPA and set it to new GPA and return the result. So it's going to return false if I didn't change anything and true if I did. Then we have function called add credits. What it does, first of all, I set result to false. Then I check that credits to add is a positive number, and if I'm going to add it to the credits we already have, if it's not going to exceed the limit, then I'm going to change students' credits to student credits plus credits to add. And because I changed the value, I return true. And if this if statement never was triggered, then it would just return false. Then this one is basically the same, but instead of credits to add, we just have 3. So I do the same trick. Result equals false if the if statement is never triggered. So if we take the number of credits the student have, we add 3, and if it's less than a maximum allowed credits, which is like 180, then I'm going to take student credits and add 3 to it and return true, since I did change the value of credits. And now I'm just gonna compile it real quickly like this and execute it. Thank you for watching.